Today we are talking about the netted dishcloth. So if you guys did not see the post already, you can see the post with all the before and after images. But I just want to do a quick demo on how amazing this netted dishcloth is. So for you bakers out there, one, you can use this to do your dishes. So it's great, you just kind of bunch it up, scrub out your dishes, and none of the food can get caught in these holes. It just rinses right out. Plus, it doesn't really harbor bacteria because it dries so quickly. But if you've got a flour mess on your counter after you're done making, you're just going to get your netted dishcloth damp, wring it out just to get out some of that excess water. And then all you do is lay it over the top of that flour, and what it does is sticks in all the holes, so you can clean it up really easily. You can see it's all stuck in there, but the best part about it is it rinses out real easily, so it doesn't clog up your cloth or get all stuck in there, get all gummy, gross, and yucky. You just rinse it out. When you're done, you hang it up to dry. I like to hang mine on a little hook, something like this, underneath my sink for things to dry. And that's it. So the netted dishcloth is a great thing to add to your Norwex arsenal.